Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Before I left on vacation, I made something evidently like this, and my mathematical internet buddy showed me how to make this shape using this shape. And this is a little bit different than a polygon because a polygon, it's going to take you a while to get it like this if you could ever do it. So what his suggestion is, let's just start over. Take a six-sided polygon, hit P, put it in the center of the page. Take a 2-point line and hit P. Well, I still had my 3-point curve line on. Let's get a 2-point line. Hold down the control button so it's perpendicular and rotate that 30 degrees. You don't have to center it because it's a line, it's in the center. This is only used for a reference. And then take your 3-point curve line and go from that node to that node. And the reason this is here, it's going to be a reference. So you could do, in my suggestion would be to hold down the control button and then you get kind of a perfect spear, but you don't have to. But you see how it's staying on that line. And so if you don't hold the control button down, it'll still stay on that line, but it won't be a perfect. So you could make almost any shape. Let's do one without holding down the control button. Now we can actually take this line away. And I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, Alternate C to put the center rotation. It's six-sided, so we're going to rotate it 60 degrees and go around. So there you have that shape. But keep in mind that you can use the control button to make it I think I knew I had two lines there. So let's get back to the 3-point curve line. Well, let's just start over. And I'm not going to use it as a reference because I'm going to use the 3-point line and it'll be in the center. So let's get our 3-point curve and go from there to there. And then just, if you hold down the control button, I don't care where you really put this, it'll be centered. And then just take that and Control D, Alternate C, rotate that 60 degrees. And then there's a lot you could do with this, then take your polygon away or your hexagon, and you have this shape. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.